All right, it's walk around time again. And here we have a 2011 Chevrolet 3500 dually, single cab, long bed, utility box with a crane body. So let's check her out. It's got the 11.5-foot bed on it with the 2 double doors in the front. NAFTA hide bed, LED lights in the back. There's your spot to mount your crane. Clean truck. Front of that sucker looks real good, don't it? Let's take a look on the inside. She's running as we're talking. Tires on it are in good shape. Single cab, black and gray interior. Gasoline, 6.0. 141,271 miles. Everything works as it should. No tears in the seats, no rips. It does have a little bit of a white, like paint type stain in this seat. Steering wheel still in good shape. NAFTA hide bed. And the other side's the same exact thing. So this is her. Let's see, this one's stickered up. I believe this one here is 24,000. So this one's like 24,000. Let me know what you think.